Okay, if you look right here, you'll notice the damage to the sidebar, that it was basically kind of shaved off right here. That we have a 2, a 1, and a 3. So we can compare this little notch. Then it gives us 2 more codes. 212, 323, 32. So if you put a 1 in the number 2 position, you can get a good code. That it's easy to lose that. And you just simply take the depth wheel out and you can see, the ball bearing on the other side for the vise to match up the marks on the other side. So our cuts were 241, 3, 3, 3, 4, and you have 4 rockers, you have a wire tension tool, a drill guide. It comes with 3 bits actually. So I cut a key, I got my key made, now I just assemble the lock back, just gently go around it and get it, this part that protrudes from the back of the cap. And there is a flat spot here on the plug. And 1/4 inch bit, then I go to a 3/8 and a 1/2 inch bit. I drill it in 1 1/2 inches. Then I just take it, get it all the way in to make sure you've got that last wafer picked up. And then I put a black mark on both sides of the bit at 1.3 inches, and I'll watch for that black mark. The cap that will come off, and I'll show you that. You have the shell, and again, get it down there against that sidebar. Remember that the door has the number 1 cut. We'd have to get that number 1 cut and add that to the key. And once you got your wrench on there, kind of hold in right here. And you can see the ball bearing move along, and it disappears as it gets depressed. And as it wafers on the sides are really not touched at all. Just like so. That'll help hold them in there. And then first one is a 2.